Here's cheating, sir. That's for sailboats. I'm gonna see if I can run my boat and film it at the same time without hitting anything. This will be fun. Yeah, I heard you. Here we go.
You got some pretty strong pumps on there. Cash, that boat glides along at a pretty good pace.
What now?
That boat glides along.
Now, that wind just pushed me over, but I did not touch the radio. Did you see that? It turned to starboard. Look at that. Oh, that's you. Okay. That was freaking me out, man. Oh, yeah, you're funny. Give me a freaking heart attack. Boat's been nothing but reliable, and all of a sudden she's making uncommanded moves. I didn't realize you're sitting there holding my damn rudder stick. Jeez. Oh, dude.
Well, she was arcing away from us. I wanted to get her pointed back across the lake.
Gotcha. There we go. That's a pretty picture.
You think my gap's more? Yeah, my gap's more.
Trying to drive my.
I got a big gap. Cash got a little gap.
How? So trying to video and run a boat at the same time is not as easy as it looks. You got it? Just leave the throttle alone and just run her around for a little bit.
I've never run a boat, thanks for the tip.
Anybody ever tell you got a fine, well-developed sense of sarcasm?
Yeah.
Okay.
You fine-tuned it, though.
I fine-tuned it. Oh,
Yeah.
It's my fault.
Being around you, I've been able
Oh
to
my
fine-tune
God.
it.
All right, Teresa. That's not a bad running boat. Got too much motor in it. It's not a bad running boat.
Oh, you might be able to go faster.
Yeah, I hit hull speed at 3/4 throttle, and you're not getting any faster than that. It's actually a nice day out here. I'll be glad when fall really hits hard.
It's coming.
Yeah, I know. I'd like to be out here where it's like 55, 60 degrees in the morning and a high of 75.
Well, that'll be late October.
I know.
But looking at my 10-week forecast for the event I go down to, it's going to be right now currently showing mid-60s and high of about 88, which is pretty nice. Mid-60s in the morning, like 64, 65 in the morning.
Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, I want a couple of good, dark, cloudy winter days, mild breeze, go out there and run lights.
Come early.
Yeah, I know. I've done that. I don't like putting the boat in the water by myself. Just,
I got here early this morning. No one told me you were going there.
I said I'd be here by 8 o'clock. I actually got here
I
about
got here by
7
8 too, and y'all were all set.
Yeah, I got here. I say 8, and then I overestimated how much time it's going to take me to get going. And then I sit there and go, well, I don't want to sit around the shop, so I just load
Yeah,
up and
might
go.
as well go and
Yeah. Oh. So I talked to a geneticist today.
Are you gonna change yourself genetically?
No. I want to see if I'm prone to getting certain cancers. You know, I had a colonoscopy last year and I had like 20 polyps. And a couple of them were the type that could be considered precancerous, but they weren't. But they're the type that could turn to cancer. Okay. So, and my brother had colon cancer, and so did my aunt. So,
You're leaning right.
yeah, she does a little bit. I got the battery's got a rails in there to help it, but it does seem to have a slight list to starboard. Yeah, I'll just live with it.
No, I was making. It's not terrible.
Yeah, I was gonna bring bring Dickie out, but I prefer running Dickie at Kenrauer.
Wait for Jimmy.
Don't get rammed. Good thing you and I were not the same age and young and knew each other. We'd probably get in a lot of trouble. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, I got you. Well, a lot of times I didn't get in trouble, but
Look, I'm getting back behind the tree.
you
Look,
could always walk
I'm
over there.
taking a video of a tree.
You could
There's a
walk over
tree.
there where all this isn't in the video.
I know. I'm tired and lazy, don't want to get up. So anyway, they're probably gonna do a genetic test to see what kind of markers are in my genes and blah blah blah. And then I gotta get my colonoscopy scheduled.
I did that regardless last time.
I don't mind the actual procedure. I don't even, getting the real procedure doesn't bother me. The prep's kind of fun.
I do not like the prep.
Yeah, the prep's, yeah. I was being sarcastic. But I tell you what, though, I hadn't felt that cleaned out in
Well, yeah, but trying to drink all this.
Oh, I know. Well, no, it's not. You get some liquid stuff now, which is basically Miralax, but they have some. The other part of it's a whole bunch of pills.
I didn't have to.
Yeah, this is what I did last time. I had a bunch of pills.
Maybe I did, but my problem was trying to drink the volume.
Yes.
It made me drink so much.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Too much.
Oh, I remember that was like a half gallon of stuff,
It's too much.
So last time I had a colonoscopy before this other one, I had that little half gallon container that you mix all the stuff in left over. So I wrote colon flush on it and gave it a bin location, and it sat there in the bin parts for probably a couple of months for someone said, "What the hell is this?" You got radiator flush, you got transmission flush.
Yeah.
We had colon flush.
So it was a joke. They caught on to it.
I know there's something wrong.
I'm gonna try to retime.
All right, we're here. Let me turn this off. There's Larry's antique. Bring her in close and punch it, Larry. Okay. Yeah. That is definitely a resto mod. That boat's 72 years old, but the radio and power system sure isn't. Looks good too. Hey man, scrounging works too. There you go. I still to this day do not know why Spectrum decided to have a ground protocol and an air protocol. I mean, what difference does it make?
Well, I tell you, before they did that, I had receivers that worked on
I don't know why they did that. That's so silly. That's a good looking ship, sir. Good looking boat. I think you outdid yourself on that restoration.
It's fun. That got restored twice. I did different things to it as I got back.
Dauntless. This boat. What'd you name it? Boat.
The Lady J.
No, I'm talking about whoever built it before you. Boat. That's good looking. Lady J.
There used to be a lady that raced sailboats over Scott's Landing and Grapevine.
Yeah.
And her name was Joan. And we named it after her.
Oh, okay.
He was a redhead.
There's your view. There's your view.
I bet if he beat her, he had to go home and listen to it. well, honey, I won the race. You came in second. Honey, I'm not talking to you. Not for a few days. Yep. Hope you like the couch.
Honey's your first loser.
Oh, dude, that's so wrong. I get in so much trouble. Have you ever been married?
I've lived with women enough to know.
Yeah. You just gotta fill them out and see what their level of putting up with it is. Oh, that's a good looking boat, Larry. Thank you, sir.